Hey guys, welcome to another video of WholesaleX. Today we're going to be talking about the conversation add-on. But this add-on lets you get in touch with the customer, creating a better bridge between the consumers and the site owners. So without further ado, let me show you how you can get started using WholesaleX. First of all, make sure that you have the WholesaleX plugin installed and activated on your site. WholesaleX is all-in-one solution for creating B2B and B2B plus B2C hybrid store in WooCommerce. Now, from your WordPress dashboard, go to the add-on section of WholesaleX. Here, we will enable the conversation add-on. You can also enable the requested code add-on along with the conversation add-on. The requested code feature lets your customers send quotation requests as a conversation, which is invaluable for a wholesaling business. You can learn more about the requested code feature from our YouTube channel. The link will be in the description below. Let me show you how a customer and the site admin can have a conversation. We will now log in as a B2B user. As you can see, the conversation and code tab has been added to the My Account page. To start a fresh conversation, click on the New Conversation button. Then we will select the type of conversation, be it an inquiry, message, or code, followed by the title. Finally, the body of the message. Click on Start Conversation for the message to be delivered. Now let's head back over to the backend of our website to see where we can find the messages from our customers. In the WholesaleX tab, you can see the new message notification has already arrived. We will click on View Message. This will take us to the page where we can find all the conversation with the customers. We can also access this page directly by clicking on the Conversation and Code tab of WholesaleX. Here we can differentiate the messages by username, type of conversation, the status, and the last reply time. Click on the message that you want to view. From here, it's like you're talking to your best friend, unless your best friend is like mine who doesn't even see my messages. Enter the reply and click on Send Message button. Your message will be delivered to the customer. If you want, you can also edit the type of this conversation and the status of the conversation as well. So that's about it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on upcoming videos.